Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the coordinates of the point shown in the picture. Now what we have to do is, always when we have to determine the coordinates of a point, we start from the origin. In order to find the x coordinate of the point, we move either left or right from the origin, and in order to find the y coordinates of the point, we move either above or below the origin. Okay. So at first, the point is located to the left hand side of the y reference line, or that is the y axis. So we move 10 units towards left hand side from origin and we reach at the point minus of 10 comma 0. Therefore x coordinate equals minus 10. And now in order to find the value of y coordinate, we move 20 units above the origin. So therefore y coordinate will be equals 20. Therefore let us represent the point by p. So p coordinates will be x comma y, but x comma y is minus of 10 comma 20. So this will be the final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.